Hey, welcome to another episode of Mix It Up. I'm Steph, and today we're going to be making a Cosmopolitan. So I might be dating myself a little bit, but if you remember being a little younger and watching Sex and the City, this was their drink of choice. So when I was in college, we always felt very fancy when we drank them. For your ingredients, you need a vodka. You probably want to do something a little bit nicer, so we're using State Line vodka today. Triple sec, some lime wedges, cranberry, simple syrup, which we've talked about before. It's just 1 part water, 1 part sugar. Bring it to a boil and then chill it. A shaker and a jigger if you want to measure out your ingredients. So we're gonna start with our shaker today. What's the first rule of all the good cocktails we make here? Lots of ice. Grab that. All right. We're gonna start with 2.5 ounces of that State Line vodka. So 1, 2, we're gonna do a half, or you can count to 8. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of your triple sec, so a 3 count, or you can approximate it. All right, here's the trick. Don't overdo it on the cranberry. We're gonna just keep it at 2 ounces, so nice and simple. 1, 2, and then we just want that touch of sweet, so we're gonna put just a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, so just a little blurb. So, boop, there you go. And then we're gonna just do the squeeze of 1 lime. This is important. You need to give her. So the technical term is bruising the ice. So when you shake it, you wanna make sure that you're shaking enough that ice actually breaks apart and comes through the strainer. And it just makes it taste so much better. All right, I think that'll do her. Should also have a little bit of froth. That's how you know you've kind of gotten to that level you wanna get to. Grab your martini glass. Give it a nice pour. Light pink in color. Looks like we got it. We're gonna take a lime wedge, put a little slit in the center. Put it on the rim. And there you have your Cosmopolitan. Cheers. It's good, it's still good.